used to say that the best Irish music was to be heard in London. That wasn't so far from the truth, as many of the finest musicians from country districts in Ireland made their way here to earn a living. Though they were young, they had deep roots in the kitchen dance tradition, and they had picked up their music amongst family and friends at home. Opportunities in making music in London presented themselves at occasional parish concerts and socials, at Gaelic revival ceilidhs, at Irish dancing classes, and in the commercial dance halls. But it was the colonisation of the backstreet down-at-heel pubs that offered the greatest outlet for the music. Every night of the week, somewhere from Acton in the west to Dagenham and Plumstead in the east, from Cricklewood in the north to Croydon in the south, there was Irish music played in some pub or other. The list of pubs is endless, but so too is the list of musicians. There were literally hundreds of them. Famous names, Casey, Roland, Sherlock, rightly keep coming to the surface, but they were only the tip of the iceberg. If the music in London wasn't always of the finest, though it usually was, there was more of it to be heard regularly here than anywhere else in the world. Tonight, 2 or 3 generations on, through Charlie Lennon's composition and the efforts of the young musicians assembled here, we pay tribute to those musicians who kept the music alive for us.